Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make this tap handle with the help of SolidWorks surface tool. This is a kind of complex geometry and here we will learn many features. Many features we will learn from this. So let's see how to do this. We don't have any 2D drawing, but it is a good example for the beginners or those who want to, for the advanced learner also. So let's make this tap fitting in SolidWorks with the help of SolidWorks feature tools. And here we will practice SolidWorks surfaces, features and tools, and this is a kind of complex surface, so we don't have drawing, so let's start with manually. So first I'm going to use revolve surface feature, so let's create some sketch. Now activate center line and pass through origin and hold shift key, select origin point and select this line, and here you will see pop-up window, select midpoint, say OK. Now activate spline, this is important. So let's start from any one point, let's say from here, exit. Okay, let's create few more relations. Hold shift key and these 2 points vertical. Similarly, these 2 points horizontal, even though I am going to define one vertical line. I am going to choose the center line, this construction line, hold shift key, select these 2 points, leave, and here you will see option symmetric, keep symmetric, define. Now here we have to choose unit. Now we selected out, edit sketch. Now we are in sketch. Our unit in inches. Activate. Now these dimensions, first 2.5, 2.4, now this one 0.25 divided by 2. That's it. Now this point from here to here, this is also 0.4 by 2, it's 0.2. See, this is fully defined sketch. Go to surfaces or right click, go to tabs and activate surfaces from here, revolve surface. Now first you have to choose axis of revolution, so I am going to select this one. You will see once you select, it will, we have to keep make direction keep blind, angle 360, so that we will get a complete body. Say yes. Look, now let's mirror, we want some similar thing but in 90 degree. So here let's create a axis. Show. Now in this you will choose this one as a axis, reference line, one line, say OK. Now axis is created. Right click tabs and click evaluate, click direct editing. Here you will find option copy, move copy bodies. Now we want to create one more body. Now here let me choose body. So this is the body. Now rotate. So select axis. Drop down from here and choose from here axis. Angle 90 degree. See, make sure it is copy, one piece. Okay. Now here let me hide axis and hide this drawing. Look. Now let's the full body. So for full body I'll choose front plane. First I am going to define a center line and I am going to define the length also. 3.3 inch and from this point to here 0.37. Okay, 3-point arc. Now activate line, come down, go back to the point and see it's automatically convert into arc. Okay, exit. Let's define this first. 9.5. Now distance from here to here 0.35. Now this distance 0.12, and distance from here to this point 0.7. Okay, this radius 0.15. Perfect. Now hold shift key, select this point and this line, merge. See, our drawing is fully defined. 0.05, select this, clear, this point, say yes. So this is perfectly defined. And last thing, one more, let's define this end point, 2.4. Now activate spline. This is important, you have to allocate many dimensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and something like here. Activate center line and connect. Make sure it is horizontal. Now let's define these dimensions. 1.126. 1.16. 1.26. That's it. Now this one, okay, let's define from the top first. 0.25. The second point 0.3. Third point 0.41. The fifth one 0.56, and this point 0.51. That's why we will get R shape. Okay. Now the length, this is also important. 0.1, 273, 1.6, 1.8, 2. The second last or last you say 2.27. Now look, our geometry is fully defined. Simply go to surface, revolve surface. Now you have to choose axis of revolution. I am going to choose this construction line, angle 360, blind, end condition. Say yes. Look. But if you check section view, there are too many hinders. See, there are too many unnecessary faces. We will delete this all later. First, let's create our main geometry. Now, we have to make some more thing here. Front plane, a sketch. We want to make a tap shape like here. So I'll choose spline. I'm going to start from somewhere here. Let's define few points. Five points. Connect midpoint, make sure it is vertical. Now let's define this. All have to define the dimensions one by one. 0.91, 1.525, 1.75, 1.4, and the last point actually it is 1.4, but the second last it is 1.61. That's it. Now let's define this horizontal distance. 0.81, 1.45, 1.93, and the last one 2.15. Now look, our drawing seems fully defined, and that is perfect for our shape. Exit. Now plane, first reference this, second reference this point. We want to make a plane on the perpendicular to this. See here the relation perpendicular to this. Say yes. Now activate sketch. Ellipse. This is our center point. Now make few relations, hold shift key, these 3 points horizontal. Let's define 0.9, 0.635. See, this is fully defined sketch. Exit and go to surface, activate swift surface. Sketch. Now you see the first is profile, already selected. Path, I am going to choose this. Say yes. Click plane, hide. Look. Section view. See, this is merge up to inside. Later we will trim. Let's finish what we need. Now let's here we want to apply some circular face, so we will trim with the help of trim surface and filled surface. So again I am going to apply here front plane, sketch, spline, something like here. Let's make 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Draw one center line, define dimensions. Now again we have to define one by one all dimensions. 1 point, 125, 0.38, the third point 0.12, fourth point 0.96, 0.096, .26, and the last point 0.56. Okay. Now similarly we have to define length. vertical length 0.745, 0.835, 1.1, 1.42, 1.7, and this last one 2. Now look, the drawing is fully defined. Exit. Look, now let's make trim this face so that we will get the idea. Choose here surface trim. Standard trim tool, let me choose this keep selection. So I am going to choose this body. Now it is going to trim this face, this orange face. You will see if I say yes, keep everything common, normal, natural, because this is simple. Look, it's trimmed according to line, but this trim only this body, not this body. So we have to trim this body again. Front plane, sketch. Now again I am going to choose here spline tool. One, two, three, 4. Center line. Draw one construction line for reference purpose. Activate dimension. Now this dimension 0.822, 0.8, 0.9, the last one 1.25. Okay, similarly we have to apply vertical distance 1.18, second point 1.46. This is not any standard dimension, this is just a reference what I did practice. So 1.74, and the last one 2.07. Look, this is perfect shape, it seems. Exit and go to trim surface. Activate trim surface tool. See sketch selected. Standard keep selection. See, if I am going to choose this orange body, select, and it is going to trim. Or sorry, I am going to choose this one, delete. This one we want to keep, this one going to be trimmed, because we selected here keep selection. Say yes. Look, now there is a tool filled surface. If I am going to choose this surface and this surface, it's going to create a body. If I am going to choose tangent, select apply all edges. So it is going to apply all the edges. Unchecked optimize surface. If I am going to say yes, look how perfectly it is done. See, so here we created this body. Now if we want to create here circular path, but it's difficult to create directly on this, let's apply 0.09, and choose this as a path. See, age selected, say yes. But this is not going to merge with this. Now it's time to trim and make the things common. So trim surface, mutual. What mutual? 1, 2, 3. In this body, what we want to keep? Select this. Linear. You want to keep. So I'll choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now see, this is going to be removed. Here we selected show excluded surface. Now these yellow parts going to trim or exclude from the body, because we whatever we want to keep, we already selected here. Mutual, if we choose mutual, see, you will get one full body. All the body it will merge by this mutual tool. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's merge this. Knit surface 1, 2, 3, and I am going to choose this also. Merge entities, say OK. Now it is not going to merge because this is circular face. If I am going to delete, say OK. It is merged. Now only two bodies, the circular one and the main body. Fillet 0.1, say OK. If I am going to use section view, front section view, OK. Look, the everything trimmed from inside. See, every path is open. Now here. Now if you want to trim this inside line, so I am going to choose trim surface, first exit, trim surface, mutual, this one and this one. Now here select keep selection, keep. I am going to choose this one. Sorry, first you have to define keep selection, this one, say OK. If I am going to choose section view, look, those lines are trimmed from inside. Now let's apply 1, 2. Again it's not going to merge because this is a circular profile and it's very difficult to merge. So let's keep this as it is. So this is how we make a complex geometry in SolidWorks with the help of surface feature. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.